guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. If you're not familiar with this company, it's free to join. You create a profile, and if you're selected, you get sent a free goodie box, and all they ask is that you review the products. You could also follow them on their social media, which I will link below, and they do give out boxes on there as well. So let's take a look at what came. Fall into good screen time habits. Screen Shield Teen. From EyePromise, there are 30 chewable tablets in here. Vitamin C, vitamin E, and zinc, and some other minerals in there. Also have, I'm not sure if that's pronounced Kopi Organic Kombucha. I don't know how to say that word, but this is mango flavored. Sparkling beverage. Also have coconut energy bar, mint to be, mint double chocolate. That sounds really good. I love mint flavored food. Then we have a RawRev Glow, crunchy peanut butter and sea salt. There's 11 grams of protein, 13 grams of fiber, and 2 grams of sugar in that one. Also have, ooh, look how shiny that is. By Bella. This is Illuminating Rose Quartz Glitter Peel Off Mask. That looks very fun. Next up, we have produce of Indonesia. This is freshly roasted coffee beans by Monkey Business Coffee. Says it's smooth, not bitter, with a complex aroma, hints of caramel and chocolate. That sounds good. Couple more items in here. We have Essential Oxygen BR Rinse. This is organic mouthwash. For whiter teeth and fresher breath. Very cool. Next, hand cleanse. This is hand sanitizer. A botanical blend to clean and protect your hands with aloe to soothe dry skin. Nice. Could always use hand sanitizer, that's for sure. Then we have some roasted coffee beans again. This is from a different brand. Shangri-La Coffee. Cool. And then typically at the bottom, there's a little paper clip with advertisements, coupons, stuff like that. So we have one for the mouth rinse. Looks like there's different flavors, 20% off coupon in there. Also have advertisement for the coconut energy bar. Ooh, summer popsicles. That one has a recipe on it. And then some information about the vitamins and the coffee. So that is what came in my box this month. If you guys are interested, I have all their information below in the description box, and you can click on the link, sign up, and hopefully win a box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.